Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss with you a very important topic, that is dimensions of health. If you really want to learn regarding dimensions of health, so watch my video till end. Then only you are able to learn what are the dimensions of health, what comes under dimensions of health. Yeah. Now, introduction. See, WHO, that is World Health Organization, they have already explained us, they have already taught us, like there are many dimensions of health, like physical aspect is also comes under health, mental aspect is also come under health, social aspects, emotional and spiritual. All these are what? All these are dimensions of health, right? So all these dimensions, they influence the health of the individual, right? They may influence the health of the individual in a positive way, or they may have a negative effect on the health of the individual. Now we will learn dimensions of health one by one. So these all are the dimensions of health, right? So the dimensions of health includes physical dimension, mental dimension, emotional dimension, spiritual dimension, and social dimension, right? Now, first one is physical dimension. Now, what is physical dimension? See, physical dimension means like how efficiently your body functions, right? Like how you are able to perform the task, how efficient you are able to perform your daily activities. For example, during lockdown period, most of the people, they used to perform light exercises in the morning at home only. So that is the way to maintain the physical health, right? So that is physical dimension. Now, second one is mental dimension. See, mental dimension means how a person or individual knows his or her capabilities, how you cope up with with the stressful situation, how you express your emotions in stressful situation, how you work efficiently in the stressful situation, and how you can contribute in the community during that period. That comes under mental dimension. For example, see, during the COVID times, what happened? There is very stressful situation for the health workers, but still they have worked with you, but still they have worked for you, they serve in the community, right? They perform their duties, whatever the government or their higher authorities have assigned to them. That is what? That is a very good example of mental health. That means health worker knows their capabilities, they know this is a stressful situation, and they are work efficiently in that particular stressful situation, they serve the community. So that is come under mental health or mental dimension. Now, next is emotional dimensional. Emotional dimension or emotional health. Emotional health means person's emotions, person's mood, right? How you can express your feelings, how you can express your emotions. So that is what? That is emotional health. See, if you are emotionally stable, so that means you have a very high self-esteem, you are confident enough. So that comes under emotional dimension. Now, next is spiritual dimension. See, spiritual dimension means you are exploring your beliefs, you are exploring your values, you are exploring the purpose in your life, right? So spiritual health has a directly relation, or we can say that it directly affects the emotional health as well as mental health, right? For example, see, most of the people, they used to do meditation, they used to do yoga also. So that is what? That is the way to maintain the spiritual health, right? If you are spiritual, if you have a balanced spiritual health, that means you are able to maintain the emotional health as well as the mental health, right? Yeah. The last one is social dimension. See, social dimension means how you interact with others, what type of relationships you have in your community, with your colleagues, with your friends, with your juniors, if you are a student, with your seniors, right? So how you can cope up with that particular situations, how you can participate in the community activities, right? So that comes under what? That comes under social dimensions, right? This is all about my today's video. Thanks for watching my video. So for more learning on this community health nursing bites, so like, share and subscribe my channel. I have mentioned my email ID also, right? If you want me to discuss some topic on that, you can message me in comments box also, or you can mail me also. Thank you so much.